The pattern button is really important. Let's see what it looks like. Here we have 1-01. That's telling me that I'm in bank number 1, pattern 01. If I press play, it shows me the pattern that I've just been playing with in the previous tutorials. If I then press trigger number 2 or C#, or I change the dial underneath the display window to the right, I will then get pattern 1-02. Let's hear what that sounds like. Right, so I've got a different pattern. Now notice the bass is turned down. Let's just turn that up because I think there's some bass in this one. Sounds quite cool, but that's something to keep in mind. If I don't want the bass in, I can just take that out for each pattern. The great thing about this is I can sequence a drum pattern on the first 1-01 bank, and then I can move to the second one. So that gives me 2 sections of a song. Let me demonstrate. There's my first pattern, and I can simply press here to change to the next part of the song. I can then move to another part of the song by pressing the next trigger. So this is a great way to set up various patterns for a performance. You could create your first pattern in 1-01, and then the next part of the song that you want to perform in the next pattern 1.02, etc. This is a really nice way to do this. I'll show you in the next video how to edit each pattern to make it your own.